Adjusting rows and column widths are very simple and straightforward. For example, if you want to make wider these two columns and B, we can select first, and when we point here in the intersection of B and C and click, we see the current width size. So we can drag it as we need to the left or to the right. We can also use the best fit method. We can select the column we want and double click it here. So Excel automatically adjusts the column width. If we need to apply for the whole sheet, we can select here and double click on one of the columns. So in the same manner, we can adjust the row width also. Let's select it and drag it to down, so we can increase the size, and also we can double click to automatically adjust. Here in the format command, we have a row height and column height adjustments. We can select any row or column and give the amount we want to adjust. So it is very easy and straightforward.